the Bridge refugee camp in the centre of Gaza and are continuing an offensive in Rafah in the south of the territory. Well, to bring us right up to date, I'm joined by Mohamed Taha from BBC Arabic. Hello, Mohamed. Let's start with that refugee camp. What's been going on?
Indeed, the fighting in Al-Bureij, Al-Nusayrat, Al-Maghazi, Deir al-Balah, refugee camps in the middle of Gaza never stopped from the beginning of this war 8 months ago. So the areas in the north and in the south saw fighting on and off, but this area saw continuous fighting. Over the last hours, we saw more than 10 Israeli soldiers injured and tens of civilians died from the shelling. This area is very close to the area where 1.5 million people are staying there, where they moved from Rafah to Khan Yunis and Al Mawasi, making this area very dangerous for them.
And in terms of that fighting in the north, there's wildfires, there's bushfires, all sorts going on. Just talk us through that situation.
Indeed, also that exchange of fighting between Hezbollah and Israel never stopped, and there is now really escalation of statements between both sides that this front would see a full-scale war. Means this would add fuel on the fire of the fighting and the war in the Middle East.
Before I let you go, Mohamed, as you know, I'm going to grill you on all the details. Slovenia is recognising the state of Palestine in the midst of all this going on. Talk us through the impact of that.
Indeed, Slovenia now became the country number 10 in the European Union that recognized the Palestinian state. This is reflecting the vision of the European Union and many other European countries that only the two-state solution is the solution for ending the war in the Middle East and for ending this conflict that really took a long time. It is contradicting the idea of the Israeli current government that they think that fighting and war would bring peace to the Middle East, which is not happening.
Okay, thank you very much, Mohamed Taha. We'll see you again soon. Now let's remain with what's happening in the United